Poco a poco. Poco a poco. Poco a poco. Sounds like a tongue twister a little bit. Poco a poco. You're pretty much saying poco twice. So you just add like an A there. Poco a poco. Poco a poco. And if you want to obviously speak Spanish, you have to say it a little fast. Just any language can be fast. English people can speak English fast. People can speak Spanish fast as well. So it sounds like I'm saying one word, poco a poco, but it's not only one word, it's three. Three pretty much. So yeah, poco a poco. This means, oops, didn't want to do that. This means little by little. Little by little. Poco, as I said before, means few, little. So in this situation, you're just saying little by little. I know the letter A in Spanish means two. It means quite a few things. It can be used in different situations as well. It's a preposition and it means to or at, okay? So usually, but in this situation, it means by, or it's similar to saying by, okay? Poco a poco, little by little. Something that happens gradually, okay? Little by little. For example, poco a poco estoy aprendiendo a tocar la guitarra. Poco a poco estoy aprendiendo a tocar la guitarra. Guitarra. This means I'm learning to play the guitar little by little. Okay, so if you like playing an instrument, well, usually when you learn how to play that instrument, you do it little by little. So this phrase is all about that. Poco a poco can be placed at the beginning of the sentence. Okay, so you can have it right here. Poco a poco. Or you can place it at the end of the sentence. Estoy aprendiendo a tocar guitarra poco a poco. So that's all good. You can even place it after estoy. Estoy poco a poco aprendiendo a tocar guitarra. Okay, so this phrase is quite flexible. You can place it at the beginning and or middle, in the middle of the sentence, usually after the verb. Okay, so it's up to you how you want to use it, where you want to place it. I'm just giving you options here. Okay, estoy means I am. Obviously, you can say poco a poco yo estoy. You don't need yo, but you can say it. Estoy aprendiendo means I am learning. Okay, I am learning. A tocar, to play. Tocar means to touch, right? To touch, literally, to touch, or to play an instrument. Okay, so yeah, it's very peculiar. It's not too difficult. Tocar, it's not a difficult verb, but it has two different meanings, main meanings. Okay, la guitarra means the guitar, and obviously poco a poco means little by little. Pretty easy, nothing too complicated. It's a very common word if you want to say that you're learning or you're doing something gradually, okay? Something that takes some time, little by little. So if you want to say little by little in Spanish, you can say poco a poco. Okay? So That's pretty cool. Pretty cool. I was gonna say good and cool at the same time. Could. It's pretty good. Okay.